guys, so today I thought I would do a quick, easy, healthy, no makeup look. So yeah, I just got done with my online classes, so now I want to do my makeup. So I'm just going to start off using my Neutrogena Radiant Primer Serum. I love this, it makes me really dewy and glowy. So I usually focus this on the high points of my face where I would naturally glow, like my cheekbones and under my eyebrows. A little bit on my nose and my cupid's bow. And then I kind of rub the excess everywhere else. And under my eyes, because I get really dry under my eyes. So now my skin is all dewy and ready for makeup. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint. I like hydrating stuff because I have dry skin. And this is what it looks like. I love Neutrogena because I feel like it takes care of your skin while you wear makeup. So why not take care of your skin and wear makeup? So I kind of use this as like a concealer because I don't really like wearing foundation. I don't like foundation and like stuff all over my face, so I just kind of apply it like that. And this is in the shade Honey 85. So I'm gonna take my e.l.f. concealer sponge and just blend that in. And I grabbed a shade that isn't lighter than my skin tone because I want it to look natural. I feel like when your concealer's a little too light for your under eyes, it doesn't really look natural. So that's why I grabbed a shade that's just as dark as my skin tone. And I kind of go around my nose because I get really red around there. I love this hydrating tint because I feel like it looks like it's thick and like a foundation. It looks thick in consistency, but once you apply it, it like blends and melts into your skin and looks super natural. I like this a lot more than the Undone concealer that I've been using. So, plus the Undone concealer that I've been using, it was a little too light for me. And I was kind of upset because I didn't want to order it online, so Target sells it, but Target for some reason only offers like 3 shades, and they're like the 3 lightest shades, even though Undone has like I think like quite a few shades that are very deep. So I don't know why Target doesn't sell more shades, kind of whack. I really like this concealer sponge because it's like skinny and like perfect for your under eyes, and it's really soft. Okay, so now that the face is done, that's all I do. I don't set it or anything because I like it to stay dewy and natural. Now I'm gonna go in with the Revlon Cheek Flushing Tint. This is in the shade Flashy 02. What I like about this is that it's very liquidy. It's not like other blushes where it's like thick and creamy. It's very liquidy, so like when you rub it in, it looks really natural and it leaves like a dew, like your skin looking really dewy. And just put the little excess on my nose to make it look like I've been in the sun. So yeah, it's really pretty. Next I'm gonna go in with my butter bronzer. I'm just gonna go in with the Real Techniques brush. This is the 400 blush brush, but I'm using it for bronzer. What I like about this bronzer that it's very subtle and blends out very smoothly. And it's not super harsh. Sorry about that. I think they're fixing the apartment upstairs. Now I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals. I'm going to go in with another Real Techniques brush. This is the setting brush, but it's perfect for highlight. And I only put this on my cheeks, a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my cuticle, and just the tiniest on my eyelids, because I like looking like I have a natural glow. So I'm in the process of growing out my eyebrows, so they're like kind of sparse and growing patchy. So like they're like growing in different areas because I'm letting them grow out. So I'm not gonna do anything to them because I really don't like my eyebrows looking like they're drawn in. So I'm just gonna brush them up and leave them natural. Okay, now that the face is all done, I'm just gonna go in with my Badescu spray, rose water spray. Now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. I love this because of the wand and the formula. I feel like the wand and the formula hold up my eyelashes really well without me needing to curl them, and I hate curling my eyelashes because they always pull out my eyelashes. And this wand is really good at making your eyelashes not clumpy, so I can apply as many coats as I want and it'll still be like really pretty. I was gonna do a video on makeup that I'm throwing out, but I already threw it out. Okay, so I already applied it, but I used the Neutrogena lip balm, Revitalizing lip balm, and it's like a tinted lip balm. It's really pretty, really moisturizing. And this is in the shade Fresh Plum. I think it's their darkest shade, and it just taints your lips and gives a color. Because I have super dry lips, and my lips are the exact same color as my skin, so I feel like I don't look alive when I'm not wearing like a lip tint of some sort. Most like chapsticks and stuff I feel like are just super oily and they're not actually like moisturizing. This one's super moisturizing, so I love it. So yeah, that is my healthy no makeup look. I wear this usually every day. It's just really lightweight on my skin. I feel like I'm wearing absolutely nothing and I look really cute. So thank you guys for watching. I'll probably be uploading a lot more. Maybe I'll upload more after they're done fixing that apartment because it's really loud. But I have a lot of videos that I want to make, so I'm going to be uploading a lot more. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.